In this lesson, you will learn to find a unit rate by using a graph. You've already learned that if you have a proportional relationship like $6 for 2 pounds, you can make a table of values and graph the relationship. You've also already learned what a unit rate is. A unit rate answers how many dollars for 1 pound in this case, or in general, how many of the dependent variable for one of the independent variable. In this example, we would find the unit rate by dividing 6 and 2 by 2 to get $3 for 1 pound, or $3 per pound. A common mistake is to reverse the variables when giving the unit rate. So for example, if you're looking at this graph, the unit rate is going to be the number of dollars for 1 pound, not the number of pounds for $1. Suppose you have a table and a graph of a proportional relationship. Let me show you 3 very important ways to find the unit rate, all 3 of which are important. Since a unit rate means the number of dollars for 1 pound, or the number of y's for 1x, you can just find 1 in the independent variable column, or on the graph, and then see what corresponds to it. From either the table or the graph, you can see that the corresponding number is 3, so the unit rate is $3 per pound. Another possibility is to pick any ordered pair, such as 4 pounds cost $12, and divide. 12 divided by 4, again, gives you $3 per pound. Again, from the graph, you could pick the ordered pair, find the 2 numbers that the ordered pair represents, 12 and 4 in this case, and divide, and you get $3 per pound. A third way to find the unit rate is to look at any ordered pair, such as 4, 12, and then say, okay, suppose at the last minute I decided I wanted to buy 1 additional pound. How many additional dollars would that 1 pound cost? From 12 to 15 is 3 additional dollars, so it's $3 for that 1 pound. Or on the graph, suppose you were planning to buy 4 pounds, that would cost $12. If you decide to go with 1 additional pound, that would take you up from $12 to $15. That difference of $3 for that 1 pound is the unit rate. What's the unit rate for this proportional relationship? Well, in this case, the fastest way is just to find 1 on the x-axis and see that 1 hour corresponds to 2 kilometers. So the answer would be 2 kilometers per hour. What's the unit rate for this proportional relationship?